Hello dear friend, welcome back to a new recipe, chicken croissant. I suggested this snack in your party time or weekend. If you have an oven, you can easily prepare this in an hour and enjoy your meal time with family. In this video, I show the two ways of making croissant shape. Which one is better for you, you can do it that way. First we go for dough preparation. Here I take half cup warm water for 1 cup yeast, 11 gram dry yeast. Don't take hot water can kill the yeast, which means your dough would not rise well. Then I add 1 teaspoon sugar, it good for easy fermentation. Mix it well. Then place it beside for 10 to 50 minutes for fermentation. In between, take a grinder, add 2 eggs and half cup of milk and almost 5 to 6 teaspoon sugar. For mixing the dough, you can directly add these to the flour. Egg and milk makes the dough soft and browning easily in the oven. Take a mixing bowl, add fermented yeast. Add almost 2 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I add 4 half cup flour. Then add sugar, egg, milk mixture, mixing the dough by hand. You can also use dough mixer. Here I add 2 teaspoon butter. It helps to increase the dough soft and tasty. I forgot to add a pinch of salt in the dough. You can do it must. It enhances the flavor of other ingredients. If you feel the dough is too hard, add some milk and mix again. Make it as a soft dough. Cover it, keep it aside for an hour. Next, preparing chicken masala for filling. Take required amount of chicken. Here I take almost 250 gram of chicken. Clean it and add half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and required amount of salt. Mix all masala with chicken. Cook the chicken flesh well until the meat is soft and juicy. I can't take that visuals. Now the chicken is ready. After cooling, shredded the chicken. Then take 2 chopped onion and 1 chopped capsicum and green chili. Heat a pan, add oil. Add chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Then add chopped onion and capsicum. When the onion becomes soft, add half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Saute it well. Cook until the masala raw smell is gone. Then add all shredded chicken. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. In between, check the salt and add required amount of salt. The masala is ready now. Turn off the burner. After the dough risen, mix it again and roll it in a plain surface. Cut the crescent dough in small pieces. Make it as a ball shape. Take each ball, spread it by a roller, apply some butter in between. The center of the dough, make a line by knife. Cut the other side as shown in the video. Place the chicken filling in one side. Make sure your filling is not watery. Then roll it as I shown in the video. Make a crescent shape. Spread some butter on the baking tray. Place each crescent. Brush with an egg and then sprinkle with the sesame seeds. In between, preheat your oven in 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next method, spread the dough by using roller and separate the crescent triangle as I shown in this video. Fill each triangle with spoonful of chicken filling on the flat end. Then roll each triangle as I shown in this video. Try this easy croissant recipe in your home and reply your comments. My family enjoy this croissant snack. Hope you guys are also like it. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.